Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add voicemail number on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 and now you want to add your voicemail number, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the phone app, locate and click on Recent. Click on the three dots at the top right of Recent, then go ahead and click on Settings. Once selected Settings, scroll down, locate and click on Voicemail. Once you selected voicemail, locate voicemail number and click on it. Now go ahead and add your voicemail number. Once you add the voicemail number, click on OK. You can also click on the profile button, then open contact, and then select the number you want to forward your incoming calls to. And then once you selected it like this, click on OK. Then it should say voicemail number changed. And then you are good. So whenever you have an incoming call to be forwarded to voicemail, it's going to be forwarded to the number you type or the number you selected. So that is basically how to add voicemail number on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.